Now, I don't think it's too much of a secret to say that I am a bit of a Rush fan. And I'm always looking at ways where I can kind of sneak some Neil Peart type patterns and grooves into a lesson. And I stumbled across one. I stumbled across a lovely one that will help with your bass drum and your independence. So it's working on that right leg and also getting some independence in the arms as well. I was listening to a track on their 1975 album, A Caress of Steel, called Lakeside Park. And at the beginning of that, there is an amazing pattern. It's got like a half-time feel, so the snare drum is only on beat number 4. Normally a half-time feel, the snare drum would be on number 3. But this has kind of got that feel to it. So the snare drum's only on number 4, and the bass drum is very, very busy. However, the right hand, the hi-hat, just keeps this nice, nice and steady 8th note pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what's got to happen, what makes this such a great way to practice your independence and your bass drum, is that hi-hat has got to remain 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and whatever else is happening, your busy bass drum, your lazy left hand only hitting number 4, it's all got to happen right in time with that hi-hat. It's all got to be nicely lined up. Okay, so I think what we ought to do is have a quick listen to the track, and then we'll break it down and see where we go from there. I hope you enjoy it anyway. Okay, so like I said, the hi-hat is nice and simple. It's just nice, easy, straight 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Try and keep them nice and smooth. They keep going like this through the whole of the exercise. Okay, so the snare drum. Now this is slightly trickier in that you're only hitting beat number 4. You can see me in the background trying to keep time with myself with my leg in the other hand. Oh, bit of a miss hit there. So it's just a straight hit on beat number 4. You go 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so just beat number 4 all the way through. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for, the bass drum. Now this is not simple and it's really hard for me to count out. You're best off downloading the sheet music, which I've put a link to below this video, and having a look at it. There's a lot of 16th notes in there. It's an easy enough pattern, but just try and memorize the way it sounds, I think is probably your best bet with this one. Okay, finally, it's time to put it all together. So let's get behind the kit and see what we got. There you go. I hope you had as much fun as I did. It's a great pattern. It's well worth persevering with. It's great for building up that right leg independence, speed and strength, and your left arm, bit of independence in your left arm, whilst keeping some discipline going with that right hand. So like I say, if you enjoyed that and you found that worthwhile, give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. We're Everything's at Rave Bugs, I think. Find us on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next video with any luck. Oh, before I go, I'm going to try and put the notes, the actual docs, I'm going to try and put them in the description. I'll put a link to where you can download them. Hopefully, if all the technology works. Anyway, enough of my rabbiting. I will see you in the next video. Bye.